Unless you try to do something beyond what you have already mastered, you'll never grow. Welcome for the online education of Standard 12th. Subject: Organization of Commerce and Management. Chapter number 1: Nature and Significance of Management, Part 3. Let me recall the few things which you'll have come to know earlier in the two parts. In the first part, you'll have seen the meaning of the title, the theory given by the different professors, and introduction towards the topic. In the second part, you all came to know the characteristics of management, the nature of management, and today in this video we are going to learn the importance of management, which also means the significance of management. From the modern time itself, the management has its own great importance. The success or the failure, it completely depends upon the management. It is the responsibility of the management to overcome the limitations of the business unit. It may be in any form, to have the maximum utilization of resources and to give maximum satisfaction to its customers. Let's have a glance on the importance of management, which will be discussed in detail further. So, importance of management. First one, it's necessary in every field. Optimum utilization of resources, accomplishment of objectives, useful for the success of business, increase in job opportunities, increase in profit, social benefit, and national motive. First, the importance is that it is necessary in every field. As you all have studied, the character of management, that it is a universal process. It is not only applied in industries, but also it is applicable in agriculture, in army, in education field. So its nature is universal. It may be any type of organization. While organizing the economical factor, the social factor, or the political factors, whether it may be any size, whatever the nature may be, wherever the business is located, at every level, the management is necessary. The function, the process of management is planning, organization, direction, and control. They are very essential. They are required. The second character, optimum utilization of resources. To have the maximum utilization, to have the maximum use of the resources, that management itself makes the maximum utilization possible. It avoids the wastage of the resources. The resources may be land, capital, raw material, personnel, that means the human resources, and machinery. It avoids the wastage of the resources. The third character, the accomplishment of objective. As you all know that management is a goal oriented activity which leads accomplishing of objective by the optimum utilization of resources to achieve its objective. Accomplishment means to complete the goal by the maximum usage of the resources. Let's move further. Useful for the success of business. In the success of a business unit, the contribution of management, it is significant part. It plays a main vital role in the business management, in the business unit, because it is only the element which compares the resources and it leads to the success of the business. As stated earlier, the success or failure, this both, it completely depends upon the management, that what kind of management is the business unit having. The efficient business management means the strong management, the sound management can make a loss making company to a profit making company. Next point, increase in job opportunities. The concept of the company It came with the limitation of sole proprietor and partnership. So the business unit started to develop in the company as there the need of capital. It was very easy to get the capital, to get many more resources as it is in the wider form. As the business is large, it is big, the number of the employees working in the business unit is also more. So if the business unit does profit, it starts spreading its wings in the market. It starts developing its more branches. So there the requirement of employees is seen and the job opportunities also increases. Management itself, it becomes the closure of many companies. The companies are shut because of the negligence of management, the drawbacks of management, which gives increment in unemployment. Sixth point, that is increase in the profit. Money, it is considered the blood of the business. Profit, it is the barometer to measure the efficiency and success of business. And the management is responsible whether it does profit or loss. Profit is an incentive to its owner. So it plays an important role in facing risk. As you all know, if the risk is more, the profit is more. And who will overcome the risk? The business management itself. Any business unit, it is done with the motive of profit. And the maximum usage of the resources to earn more and more profit, that is only the motto of any business unit, to use maximum resources to get maximum satisfaction. Next point, that is social benefit. Every business is carried out as a part of society, and for the interest of society, by using resources of the society, management works in the favor of society. Success of any business increases the wealth and welfare of the society. Business units produce goods and services at the low cost. This provides goods at the reasonable rate. Which results into the welfare of the entire society. It does more and more benefits to the society if the business incurs more and more profit. If they use maximum resources, they produce goods at the lower cost. Even the society will get at the reasonable price. So the society is also playing an important part for the success of the business. Now, even business management, its importance is also a national motive. Now, how a national motive? As it increases the job opportunities, even it takes the utilization of untapped human resources. Untapped human resource means still the resources who are not taken in use. They have no work to do. So that kind of human resources, they utilize it, which will help in the economical, in the social, and even in the national development. Because the untapped human resources, they'll get the job, they can satisfy their needs, the living standard it increases as the per capita income increases, and even with that the national income also increases, and there the reduction in the unemployment, it is seen. Hope you all have understood all the 8 points. Let me recall once again. First importance is that management is necessary in every field. Second one, optimum utilization of resources. Third, accomplishment of objective. Fourth, useful for the success of business. Fifth, increase in job opportunities. Sixth, increase in profit. 7, social benefit. And the last but not the least, that is national motive. Here it's time to judge yourself now. Recall all the points. Try to solve the questions. Let us be grateful to people who make us happy. They are the charming gardeners who make our soul blossom. Thank you. Have a great time.